Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. There are some preferred settings that could be helpful after upgrading to Windows 11. Firstly, to change your default browser, open settings that could also be opened by pressing Windows +I. Now go to Apps section and select Default Apps. Now find the browser that you want to use as default. On upper right corner click on Set Default. There are some the options that may be not set to default, simply click on it and choose Firefox as default. Now if you want to change position of taskbar icon, then simply right-click on taskbar and open taskbar settings. Expand taskbar behavior panel and choose alignment of icons as you want. Now there are some File Explorer tips that could be helpful. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows +E. On the top of the File Explorer, now there are new tab option here. To open new tab click on plus icon or press Ctrl+T from your keyboard. You can also close the current tab by pressing Ctrl+W keys. There are some useful shortcuts that Windows 11 provided to work more faster. Press Windows +A to open Quick Settings. Press Windows +N to open Notification Center. Press Windows +C to open Microsoft Chat Teams app. Now to remove temporary files automatically from your PC, go to your system settings, then click on Storage and turn on Storage Sense. This will automatically free up storage space from your C drive. To make your PC start up faster, disable your startup apps, right-click on taskbar to open Task Manager or press Ctrl+Shift+Escape key from your keyboard. Here, click on Startup Apps and disable unwanted apps as you want. There are some keyboard settings that could be helpful during typing. To do this, open Settings and select Time and Language. Then click on Typing, and turn on Highlight and Autocorrect misspelled words. You can also turn on text suggestions that are quite helpful while typing the text. Now there are some privacy settings to make your account more secure. Go to Privacy and Security. Then go to General, and turn off all the options, especially the top one. To turn on or off automatic updates of installed apps in Microsoft Store, on the upper right corner click on your account icon and go to Settings. Here turn off auto updates, this will take less data usage of your internet plan. You can also disable auto video play option if you don't want to play any video on the store. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button. If you have any queries, please leave them in the comments section below.